In this in-depth review, we're going to break down every single aspect of the 2026 Isuzu D-Max, from its detailed specifications, exterior styling, interior design, comfort levels, and performance, to the overall driving experience and why this truck could be a game changer in the United States if Isuzu decides to bring it here officially. Whether you're someone who uses your truck for work, family, or weekend adventures, the D-Max now blends utility, durability, and modern features in a way that might surprise you. So buckle up as we dive into the full review of one of the most exciting pickups of 2026. The 2026 Isuzu D-Max is a completely re-engineered version of the brand's most successful model. Built on Isuzu's latest ladder frame chassis, it offers improved rigidity and strength while reducing overall weight thanks to the use of high-tensile steel. This makes the truck both safer and more fuel-efficient, while still maintaining the toughness Isuzu is known for. The D-Max continues to be offered in multiple body styles, including single cab, extended cab, and double cab, catering to both commercial and lifestyle buyers. Under the hood, the global version of the 2026 D-Max comes with several engine choices depending on the market. The most common is the 3.0-liter four-cylinder turbo diesel, producing around 190 horsepower and 332 pounds-feet of torque. This engine is paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission. In some regions, a smaller 1.9-liter turbo diesel with 148 horsepower and 258 pounds-feet of torque is offered for efficiency-focused buyers. While diesel remains the D-Max's specialty, Isuzu is also reportedly working on mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid powertrains for selected markets to meet stricter emissions regulations. In terms of capability, the 2026 Isuzu D-Max continues to impress with a towing capacity of up to 7,700 pounds and a payload rating of around 2,200 pounds, putting it right in line with the Toyota Hilux and Ford Ranger. The 4x4 variants feature advanced off-road hardware, including a rear differential lock, hill descent control, terrain modes, and a strengthened suspension system designed to handle rough trails. The exterior of the 2026 Isuzu D-Max is bold, muscular, and distinctly modern. Right at the front, you're greeted with a large, aggressive grille featuring horizontal chrome or black slats depending on trim level. Flanking the grille are sleek LED headlights with integrated daytime running lights, giving the truck a sharp, confident appearance. The hood is sculpted with muscular lines, emphasizing strength, while the bumper has been redesigned with functional air intakes and skid plate protection, signaling off-road readiness. Moving to the side profile, the D-Max strikes a balance between utility and modern design. The high ground clearance, squared wheel arches, and large alloy wheels are available from 17-inch up to 20-inch options that give it an imposing stance. Some trims even feature machined alloys and all-terrain tires, enhancing its off-road image. Side steps, roof rails, and chrome or black mirror caps further distinguish trims like the high-end V-Cross or LSU. At the rear, the D-Max is simple yet functional. You'll find C-shaped LED taillights, a sturdy tailgate with dampening for smooth operation, and optional integrated bed lighting for convenience. Isuzu also offers a range of bed accessories such as tongue covers, roll bars, and utility racks to enhance practicality. Overall, the 2026 D-Max exterior perfectly blends rugged durability with premium styling cues, making it equally at home at a construction site or a downtown parking lot. Step inside the 2026 Isuzu D-Max, and you're welcomed by a cabin that feels more premium and high-tech than ever before. Gone are the days when Isuzu interiors felt Spartan and purely functional. The new D-Max now offers soft-touch materials across the dash, contrast stitching on higher trims, and a driver-focused cockpit that combines practicality with modern comfort. The centerpiece of the interior is a 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, and built-in navigation. The graphics are crisp, and the system responds quickly, rivaling those found in the Ford Ranger and Toyota Tacoma. Depending on trim level, you'll also get a fully digital instrument cluster that provides customizable driving information, including off-road data like pitch, roll, and differential status. The seats in the 2026 D-Max have been completely redesigned for improved ergonomics. In high trims, you get leather upholstery, heated and ventilated front seats, and 8-way power adjustment for the driver. Even base trims feature supportive fabric seats that are designed for long-distance comfort. Rear passengers in the double cab enjoy improved legroom and headroom, thanks to a slightly longer wheelbase, rear air vents, USB charging ports, and foldable cup holders enhance practicality for family use. Storage has also been well thought out, with multiple cubby holes, a large center console, and deep door pockets. The cabin is further insulated with sound-deadening materials, significantly reducing road and engine noise. This makes the D-Max not only a capable work truck but also a comfortable daily driver. Comfort is where the 2026 Isuzu D-Max truly surprises many buyers. Traditionally, Isuzu trucks were known more for toughness than plushness, but the new model has bridged that gap impressively. Ride comfort has been greatly improved thanks to a revised suspension system with lighter leaf springs at the rear and independent double wishbones at the front. This setup absorbs bumps and uneven terrain more smoothly, reducing the truck-like bounce that older models were criticized for. Inside, the improved seat design with better cushioning ensures long drives are more enjoyable. The driver's seating position is upright with great visibility, while rear passengers benefit from better recline angles and extra space. For highway driving, adaptive cruise control and lane centering assist ease the stress of long-distance journeys, while the climate control system offered in dual-zone configurations on higher trims keeps the cabin cool or warm as needed. Noise, vibration, and harshness levels have been dramatically reduced. Isuzu added more insulation in the doors, floor, and firewall, making the cabin much quieter at highway speeds. Even with the diesel engine, you'll find the D-Max surprisingly refined compared to its rivals. Whether commuting in the city, towing, or heading off-road, the comfort levels make the D-Max a versatile and family-friendly choice. Performance has always been the backbone of the Isuzu D-Max, and the 2026 model continues that tradition with refinements. The 3.0-liter turbo diesel engine delivers strong low-end torque, which is crucial for towing, hauling, and off-road adventures. The engine's responsiveness ensures that even with heavy loads, the D-Max doesn't feel sluggish. Paired with the updated 6-speed automatic transmission, shifts are smooth and efficient, while the manual option provides enthusiasts with more control. For off-road performance, the D-Max shines with its shift-on-the-fly 4WD system, rear-locking differential, and impressive ground clearance. Approach and departure angles have been improved, and with optional underbody skid plates, the truck is well protected against rocks and rough terrain. On trails, the D-Max feels composed, tackling mud, sand, and gravel with confidence. On-road performance is also commendable. The steering is more precise, body roll is reduced, and braking performance has been improved with larger discs and advanced electronic brake force distribution. Fuel economy, particularly with the 1.9-liter diesel, is excellent for a pickup of this size, making it an economical choice for both work and leisure. Isuzu has also hinted at developing electrified versions of the D-Max in the near future, which could include hybrid or even full-F models, aligning with the global push toward greener mobility. This ensures that the D-Max not only competes in 2026 but also prepares for the future of trucking. To wrap up this full 125-minute review, the 2026 Isuzu D-Max pickup truck represents a massive leap forward for the brand. Once considered a no-nonsense workhorse with basic features, the D-Max has now evolved into a modern, versatile truck that balances durability, technology, comfort, and capability. It still retains the rugged DNA that makes it popular among commercial buyers, but now it appeals equally to families, adventure seekers, and lifestyle users who want a truck that can do it all. Compared to its biggest rivals like the Toyota Hilux, Ford Ranger, and Chevrolet Colorado, the D-Max now stands tall with competitive towing power, a premium interior, advanced safety features, and a refined driving experience. The exterior design is bold and attractive, the interior is loaded with modern tech, and the comfort levels make it feel less like a work truck and more like an everyday vehicle. For buyers in the United States, the 2026 Isuzu D-Max may not yet be officially available, but if it enters the market, it could shake things up significantly. Its combination of reliability, affordability, and modern features makes it a serious contender in the midsize pickup segment. Around the world, the D-Max continues to earn a reputation as one of the toughest yet most comfortable pickups, and the 2026 model cements that status. So whether you're looking for a dependable workhorse, a family adventure truck, or simply a stylish daily driver with plenty of muscle, the 2026 Isuzu D-Max is a pickup you absolutely need to keep on your radar. This truck proves that Isuzu isn't just playing catch-up, it's setting new benchmarks for what a midsize pickup should be.